Today, the immunity claim for a former Columbia gas station owner charged in the killing of a 14-year-old has been denied.
Rick Chow will stand trial in the shooting death of Cyrus Carmack Belton. He's accused of chasing him from his gas station and convenience store on Park Lane Road in May of 2023 and then shooting him in the back. Chow and his attorneys argue that he acted in self-defense and in defense of his son, who saw a gun or claims that he saw a gun on the teenager.
Nick Neville has been following this case since the beginning. He has a recap of the day in court, including Chow's decision to stay quiet this week.
Chow chose not to take the stand during these proceedings to defend why he fired the fatal shot, though the judge heard his side of the story in body camera footage from the night of the killing.
Accordingly, the court finds that the defendant has failed to prove by preponderance of the evidence that he is entitled to immunity under the South Carolina Protection of Persons and Property Act.
After a 3-day hearing, a judge swiftly denied Rick Chow's claim to be immune from prosecution in the murder of 14-year-old Cyrus Carmack Belton outside his gas station in 2023.
I've been thinking about Cyrus more. He didn't deserve this. He didn't deserve to be chased down, shot like a dog, left in the dirt.
The defense questioned the integrity of the investigation.
They have to do something quickly to appease the community. And what they did by doing that is ignore the evidence that was staring them right in the face.
Chow's lawyers say it comes down to two questions: whether the Chows were aggressors for chasing Carmack Belton, who they wrongly suspected of stealing a few dollars worth of water, and whether the teen pulled a gun on Rick Chow's son Andy, as the Chows assert. The state says this isn't plausible based on witness accounts. The lead prosecutor argued that Chow loses his self-defense argument at the first legal test.
Cyrus is here today if they hadn't brought on this different. Chasing a boy who's in fear for his life to the degree where he runs out of his chute, drops phones, continues running, trips.
After the hearing, Chow's attorney sought bond for a third time, and for a third time, bond was denied. After the judge heard from Carmack Belton's family, including his mother, Nicole.
The fact he shot a child in the back shows a level of brutality and disregard for human decency that should not be overlooked. If released, I fear for the community and other Black and brown children.
The judge found that the defendant did not prove the victim pointed a gun at his son, necessitating deadly force, and he referenced conflicting testimony. These facts and Chow's fate will now be in the hands of a jury of his peers. Reporting in Columbia, Nick Neville, WIS News 10.